वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं दी 11th न्यूमेरिकल फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज फॉर द चैप्टर मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉलिड्स. So let's start. Now the question states a rubber band originally 30 centimeters long is stretched to a new length, and this length is 32 centimeters and it's stretched because of some load. Now, what is the strain produced in a rubber band? It's a very straightforward and a very easy question. 2 minutes में solve होना चाहिए. So let's get started. The first quantity that's been given to us is the original length of the rubber band. Let's denote that length as L1 and this original length is 30 centimeters. फिर हमने इस rubber band को stretch किया. Now obvious है कि because we are stretching, इस rubber band का जो length है that should increase, and the new length or the increased length, let us denote it as L2, and this is said to be 32 centimeters. इसके अलावा और कोई इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल नहीं है क्वेश्चन में और कोई इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए भी नहीं. हमें ढूंढना है that is the strain. So we are required to calculate the strain produced in the rubber band because of this stretching. So let's try to find out what exactly is the formula to calculate the strain. So formula में हमें पता है कि strain is given to us as the change in the length or the change in the deformation marked by delta L divided by the original length. Now you'll be like, sir, हमें तो सिर्फ दो लेंथ्स दिया है, हमें change in length नहीं पता है. But by definition, change in length is nothing but the final length, that is L2, minus the original length, that is L1, and the whole divided by the original length, which is L1. Now if you see, all the quantities, that is L2, L1, L1, are pre-given to us, so a simple substitution will do. But you will be like, but sir, आप देखोगे कि quantity centimeters में दिया है, and we know that these are not SI units, so we need to do a unitary conversion before calculating. Well, in most cases, yes, we need to do a conversion, but strain क्या है? Well, strain is the ratios of the lengths. So as long as मेरे सारे participating quantities के units same है, we need not to care about unitary conversion, because let's say if we did unitary conversion, it will simply get cancelled out because effectively strain is a ratio. So let's save us some trouble and not convert the units and simply substitute करते हैं. So in our calculation section, हमारा जो first statement है, that is from our formula 1, that is the formula to calculate strain. Strain is said to be L2 का value, that is 32, minus L1 का value, that is 30, divided by 30. So 32 minus 30 effectively is the change in our length, so which simplifies as 2 by 30, which further simplifies as 1 by 15. Now if we divide 1 by 15, हमें आएगा value as 0.06667. So effectively हम जो है वो final 6s को round off कर देंगे as 7, and let's try to represent it in a better decimal format. So 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 2. This is the value for strain. What is the units for strain? Well, there are no units for strain because, as we discussed, strain is a ratio. So it's a unitless quantity. So this was the strain produced in a rubber band when it was stretched from the length 30 to 32 centimeters. The link for the PDF of the solution is available in the description. So make sure you check that out. Have a nice day.